Let's understand some more commands in mongoDB. First of all, let's use our database Shaji. So use Shaji, press enter. Does not use Shaji, enter. You are switched to DB Shaji. Now you are in Shaji DB. Say show collections. So there is one collection called EMP. Let's get into EMP. db.emp.find. Bracket open, bracket close, enter. So this shows you all the documents in EMP collection. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 documents in EMP collection. Okay, now these rows are wrapped down. Let's reduce it by showing only some important columns. Okay, so how to do that? We say find. This is for the search condition. Here it is the column condition. We'll call it as projection. This is called projection. In projection, we give the name of the column that we want to show on the screen. So I'll say here name colon 1 or 0. 1 means show, 0 means don't show. So say 1, as you know it already. Okay, so name, so it shows you these things. If I say dot sort, on say name itself, or say ID underscore ID colon 1 or minus 1. 1 means ascending order, minus 1 means descending order. Now it's already in ascending order, so we'll put it in descending order. So now the name, so the IDs are in descending order. If you want back in ascending order, you can put it as 1. So now it's in ascending order, or by default it is in ascending order only. Okay, so now suppose this is showing you all the 7 records. Let's reduce that records by say 3 records. Show me only 3 records. So we'll say dot limit bracket open, say 3 records. So it's showing you 3 records, the first 3 records, that is 10, 11 and 12. ID number 10, 11 and 12. Okay, but if I say show me the limit, say 4 records, it will show you 4 records. Okay, but if I show 10 records, so it will maximum it can take up to limit up to, it can show up to 10 records, but otherwise it will show you whatever it is available, but it should be less than or equal to 10. Okay, so if I say 10, it will show you all the records, that is up to 7 records. Okay, so I told you the maximum limit is 10. But if I say show me 2 records, it will show only 2 records on the top, that is 10 and 11. But if I say skip, it can be given anywhere in the line. Say skip 2 records from the beginning, and then limit means show 2 records. So skip 2 records means, first of all, what is skip 2 records? See, the first 2 is missing, 1, 10 and 11. Okay, if I say skip 3, the first 3 records are missing, that is 10, 11, 12 is not there, from 13 onwards is showing you. Okay, but if I say from 13 onwards is showing how many records? 13, 14, 15 is 4 records, right? I'll say after skipping 3 records, limit, let's say 3. That means after skipping 3 records, that is 1, 2, 3, you just show me 3 records. So 13, 14 and 15, right? 13, 14 and 15. If I say 4, it should show all the records. Show means 4 records after skipping 3 records. Okay, so this way we can enter into different commands of skipping and limiting the records.